So I'm a pretty big guy. It's all established. Everybody knows I take up a good amount of space. But never in my life have I broken a swing. I don't think it threaded through far enough. It's only got like 2 bites.
I wish we would have gotten that on camera. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Milo! That's supposed to be our room.
Yeah. Hey, dude.
What are you doing? Did you need some alone time?
Do you need some alone time?
Okay. Hey, you know I love you. Okay. See you later.
Alright, so Emily and I had a little powwow as far as like things that need to get done on the bus. And while that happened, she took this awesome photo of me sitting in the seat. And then, I don't know if it just wasn't screwed in far enough. That's kind of my guess because the threads are barely chewed up. Either way, I decided, you know what, we're gonna change this game. Instead of like using a lag bolt kind of a thing that screws into the metal, let's just not make sure we have this issue in the future. I got a regular eye. I think it's just called an eye, like an anchor eye. An eye bolt with a nut. That's what we're about to install. We're about to install this little eye nut so we can do this little hanging chair that's like popular on the internet that a bunch of people think is a cool idea. And yeah, so here we go. Dude, I'm telling you, you guys aren't on this butyl tape kick, and you're not doing it right. When I did this earlier, it was a big fail. Big fail. Now, I want you guys to leave a comment in the comment section if you guys think that you have a comment on whether or not this is going to be a win or a fail. Go ahead, leave a comment. Let's see. I'm going to use my little clip. I don't know what this little clip's rated for, but I'm going to get like a little chain link thingy later. And this was like an impulse buy. I was like walking by the store and it was like cheaper than I thought it needed to be. I bought it. 30 bucks. They got me. That's what they do. They put it at the register and they're like, here, buy this. And I'm like, okay. There's that. Seems kind of high right now. A little floppy. But it was 30 bucks. The one Emily was looking at online was like 100, maybe 70. I don't know. Okay, let's just test it out. For an adult, yeah, it'll work. It'll work for an adult. Seems kind of a little wobbly. I need like a footrest. Like right against the dash. It's not terrible. Oh wait, what if I did this? Grab it once, grab it twice. Now this looks wicked high. It's definitely high. A much bigger fall. Probably gonna hit my back if it does fall. That's more better. More better. I mean, it's not bad for like an extra seat. Like if we're having our 3 friends over that we've got, I think it's appropriate. Just pop this sucker out. Just swing it in a hanging chair that I hooked up in a school bus. Can't believe it. Pretty freaking cool though. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you don't like it, and if you could subscribe, we'd really, really appreciate it. I think tomorrow I'm gonna try to finish all the woodworking stuff that I've got. I'm looking this way because this is my front door, and I need to like trim out the front door. And then we're gonna do a little shelf basket cubby thing right here in the wheel well. And then we're gonna refinish the stairs. So hopefully the stairs get finished tomorrow. And then the AC guy is supposed to come tomorrow to hook up the AC and finish that, but I haven't heard anything from him yet. So I guess you guys can just come back in tomorrow and see if it's installed. But for now, thanks. Actually, you know, I'm just gonna sit here and soak in the things that I've done on this bus because it's a lot. It's pretty cool.
See, isn't it so nice? It's like the jewelry. It really is. Man, I did a good job putting that in, didn't I?
Yeah.